Hey Cruiser, welcome back to Chris Craft. I'm Josh Wells, and today we are placing a kill switch on the generator for good old Stargazer. If you like DIY boat repairs, I'd be very grateful if you'd like and subscribe down below. All right, let's get started. We're gonna need a few things to get this project completed. We need a drill bits, a pen, screwdriver, a set of small screwdrivers, tape measure, a new kill switch, a replacement cord. Ours is already preset, and oh yeah, you're gonna need a generator. I'm thinking that we're gonna put the kill switch right here on top of the generator. We got our new kill switch from Hutch Mountain, and it came with some really cool stuff. It came with the cord we need already preset, so that was awesome. The stickers that they sent look great, but we're going to talk about those here in a second. We also got some handy dandy cool instructions too that we've read quite a few times before we got started. Hutch Mountain actually put together a pretty cool set here. Nice job. This here is your kill switch, which is going to go here to here. They gave you a zip tie. There's a push button with a tightening nut on it. But what you really pay for are these bad boys. These are gonna go here, and we're gonna change those stickers, and we're gonna put the push button up top here. We're also gonna go and add an hour meter on our next video, so keep your eyes open for that. First things first, I have to figure out where I'm gonna put this push button. I'm just gonna take the cover off with my screwdriver. Whoa, look at that. It came right off, nice and easy. If you saw my father and I taking the swim platform off, you know I'm not used to that. I'll show you where I'm gonna put it. It's going right there. Shouldn't be too hard to get it there from here. Now that I know where it's going, I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna figure out how big of a sticker I have and where exactly it's gonna go. So there's a screw on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take that off. And I'm gonna try and figure out where I want this. So if you look here, so it's from the tip to tip. So as long as I have plenty, which I do if I put it right here, and I have plenty of clearance to get it in once it's here. Just gonna grab a pen. And that's it. We're gonna try it with a 1/2 inch rather than go out and buy a new drill bit. Yes. So we can screw this down. That's how I got my hole. Big drill bit, big drill. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but this is where the old kill switch is attached. I'm gonna disconnect that and run the new one up to the hole I just drilled. I'm gonna go up the back with this one though, so that it can be tucked in all nice. Release it, and it pulls right out. Okay, once you do that, this piece doesn't really matter anymore. So I'm just gonna tuck it under there so it doesn't move, but this one is what I want to hook up. So fish this up through here, like that. Make sure I'm not touching anything. So this small piece and this piece I just got done, just plug in like so, and you kind of want to tuck it down a little bit. You want that to be out of the way. Take my handy dandy sticker, that is pretty darn cool. Okay, now that we have this here, we are going to attach these two little screws. One side, good and tight. The other side, good and tight. So what I do is the back and you can push. It's not super scientific, but it works. There it is. It's in tight. Put this on and let's see if it starts. Turn it to on. It's already on. Choke it open. Voila. Thanks for joining us today, cruiser. We love you. Tune in next time to learn how to add an hour meter to your generator. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below to follow us with our latest DIY projects. Until next time, I'm Josh Wells, and remember, if you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. If you teach a man to fish, well, I hope his family likes sea bass. See you soon, cruiser!